Well, Thermomate sent me this. I think it's an infrared heater. It's the model EIHF 1500. It's like a patio heater. 1500 watt. Let's unbox it. They sent me this a while back. They sent it to me a while back. I just haven't got around to doing any kind of review on it. I've been kind of busy. So, let's see. Manual. Remote. This is the first time I'm getting it out of the box, so I have no idea. It's packaged well. Nice. Heavy duty three-prong cord. Bag of screws. And I think this is looks like infrared. And that's what it says on the box. I think it might oscillate. Let me get this thing plugged in and see how it actually works. Not sure. It's got some heft to it. Like I said, I'm just unboxing it. First impressions. It's metal. Feel like a plastic base. Plastic base. This is metal. Plastic up top. So let me get it plugged in and see how it operates. Wait a minute. There's something else. And that looks like I'm gonna go up top. Go up top for a guard. I think that's what it is. Or, not sure. I'm gonna have to read and see what it is. Let me get it plugged in. Alright, we got it plugged in. I consider this a patio heater. It is, I think, IP65 rated. So it does have some water resistance. I wouldn't say proofing, I'd say resistance. So on and off switches back here. We're gonna turn it on. It does have eight settings. It does come with a remote. And let's see. There's setting 1. It's got 8 different bars up here. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different settings. I'm about 1.5 feet away, and that's really warm. It's a 1500 watt heater. It's pretty sturdy. That other thing, that guard that came around up here, I don't have it on there. But that is what they call fire protection or fireproofing. So in case it tips over. Let's see. Let's see what happens when this thing tips over. Yep, shuts off. Shuts off as soon as it gets past a certain point. So it does have some safeties, some safeties on it. Like I said, it's got 8 different settings. It does have a timer. It has an 8-hour timer, so if you move the, there it is. If you move the knob clockwise, that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, and so on up to 8 hours. And you can do it from the remote control too. Setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throws off a lot of heat. It's a 1500 watt heater. And you can do basically, you can do everything you can do with the knob, you can do with the remote, and it does oscillate. They call it shaking head. The shaking head operation. I call it, it's oscillating. So that's on right now. It is warm to the touch in the back. So, alright, so this is a Thermomate website. They do offer it on their website. They do offer other products like electric heaters, I think cooktops, so on, but this is electric indoor outdoor heater. 8 settings with timer, 199 bucks. 30-day hassle-free return with free shipping, and you get a 12-month warranty with it. So it's a decent little tower heater. For the cost, remote control, waterproof, pretty decent, not too bad. You know, they sent it out just for me to do like an unboxing and review. That's all they really wanted me to do, but that's their product. Reliability, I can't tell because I just got it out of the box. I just started using it. Does seem nice, sturdy, well built, simple controls. I mean, that's all you need in a heater. I mean, you really don't. You don't even need the remote, you know. But it's a nice feature to have. So, I don't know, check it out. See if you guys like it. See if you guys need it. But it is pretty cool, and it looks like they're offering some other free shipping too. But it already says free shipping, I think. Yeah, free shipping. So, I don't know. Check it out. Seems pretty decent.